Hi guys, we're gonna go over how to download the state alcohol report from the CronySoft backoffice. This report is used when a store needs to generate alcohol reporting information in a required state reporting format. To begin, go to the CRM, then click State Alcohol Reports. Once the page opens, you'll see different report format options. Select the format you need from the available section. If you need the RITS format or the UPC format, choose the required date range from either one. And then click Show Report. After the report is generated, the system will download the report and you can open the file and review the numbers based on the selected date range and report format. So again, go to the CRM, open the state alcohol reports, choose the correct format, select the start and end date and generate the report. And that is how you download the state alcohol report from the CronySoft backoffice. That's all from me on this video. I'll catch you guys in our next one.